Give some man Thomas, get him out.
Come! Get down! Harvey! Had enough of you stupid things! Yes.
You're from MNU? We require your scroll on this eviction notification. Yes, it's eviction notice. Put your scroll on the bottom there. See, there's your name at the top. Johnson? Yes, you're going to put your name at the bottom. Place, a nice new city built especially for prawns. And we're not even going to charge you. Okay?
You don't have a choice in the matter. You just have to sign this document.
This guy's obviously he's a little sharper. You know, so we're gonna have to try something. Alright, hello. Okay. Seems like we didn't understand each other there properly, eh? Okay. So you got a little one there, eh? Do you have a license for that little one? Well, you see this litter out here. This is dangerous conditions for your child. Article 75 says that because your child is living in dangerous conditions, I'm going to take him down to child services. I'm going to go and have a...